Dear friends, welcome. Friends, let's start match the English words. A. You see in the box there are many words. You should match same words. You see A with A matching. Similarly, in with in same word, similar word. I with I, my with my, come with come, go with go, are with are. Similarly, next box. In the next box, you match the words, same words, is with is, yes with yes, will with will, to with to, good with good, same matching. On with on, one with one. Okay, friends. In the next box, match the words, English words, similar words. Man with man, eat with eat, dog with dog, similar word. No with no, more with more, the with the, not with not, okay, completed. This box is completed. Next box. Match with similar words also. Please, 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 please with please. Now with now. To with to. So with so. Thank with thank, similar words. Match similar words in the box. Can with can, me with me, completed. This box is completed. Okay, friends. Please like this video, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks, friends.